Hello, boys and girls. And yet you are here bouncing on my dash for another episode of TC Finds. I would say today, but this afternoon, we're on our way to save some vehicles, or at least one today, that I found 2 years ago. That's actually at the same place I found this old Ford. Went to look at the other two, saw the Ford there, had to buy it first. So we're running out of daylight, so let's get going. What on earth?
That doesn't quite belong here.
Nope.
It looks like he's gonna wrap a seat with it.
Maybe so.
Why you want to sit on something bony and pokey like that?
Women do.
Well, you got a valid point.
So here we are on the road less traveled.
Now this used to be the old highway, right?
Yeah, this was Highway 16 back in the day. But
Yeah,
they traded land.
Oh, they traded land.
Mm-hmm.
Really?
And topsoil.
What?
Yep. Part of the deal was his dad made was to keep all the topsoil.
Is the Ford gonna make it back up this hill?
Probably not. We'll probably have to put him 4 low. That is surprising. There is water.
Mosquito haven.
Too cold for the mosquitoes. And up into the woods. First gear in the clear. Literally, the woods. There she be. So it looks to be about a 69. Has the aluminum grill. The patina though is probably really good on it. But oh, I bet that motor's yeah, completely.
Where's the radiator?
If it was to turn, the radiator was still out of the other one. They had scrappers or something come through here. And obviously children. By children, I mean teenagers. Oh, look, it comes with a tricycle for my niños.
Dang.
Okay, that made it worth it.
You can see the evidence of the rock throwing in the trim.
Oh yeah, you can. And this is all stainless. That
Yeah,
kind of
that
sucks.
would've been
Nice.
super nice.
But looking at the truck, it's actually quite nice.
That's solid down there. Yeah, rock.
Oh, has a little damage back here, yonder. So the bumper's jacked. Uh-oh. So I brought 2 wheels, and we need 3. I'm sure there's one that way. There's all sorts of junk.
I thought he was gonna push a tree down.
I don't know what the man is doing. This side's got some Bondo.
Oh no.
Yeah. Oh, this side has some Bondo.
Oh no.
Oh, this side too. Well, it was a good truck.
From this side it is.
That side it is. So whoever wants it would just take pictures from that side. So now my buddy's gonna go get the loader and we'll drag it out and load it on the trailer. Evidence.
The window smasher.
9,000? No, it's 8,000. It figures. The engine's...
Quality rested cap.
Ooh. The engine's locked up tighter than something. Shorten the chain. Yep, send it. Right.
I think they're all metric except for the 3/4.
Well, there we go. And it's probably a 3/4.
Nope, it's a 13/16 or a 21.
There might be one in there.
There is. On the back.
Just rinse her off there.
How many's back there?
None. How many's up here? All 5. Okay. So we're gonna have to
One loading up her tire?
probably.
Here you go, buddy.
Oh look.
Right lug.
Oh, we got all of them here. That probably won't fit.
Why? It's 5.
It's 5.
Be close. It looks a little small.
That's what she said.
There's 2 there that will fit. I had to bring those.
Yeah, hit it. Ooh.
It keeps you from cross-threading.
No cross-threading allowed.
Later.
Oh, we got a wheel over there already. Desert dogs. Desert dogs and Kellogg's.
Put 3 on the foot. How is the tire not destroyed?
Look at that. I don't even know how that would happen.
Maybe it got rusty and the weight of the truck sinking in.
Just sank on it. Maybe so. We got some in the front. Now we need to figure out the rear. My buddy went to go find 2 more.
He brought us this.
Yeah, he brought that.
You got the torch. Just cut some holes.
Yep. Good to stay.
Mister?
Not too shabby at all. At least we'll be able to steer and climb, and the rest is a drag. And we are running out of light a little bit.
Go some more. Keep going. All right, hold that right there for now. That back passenger corner looks like it's about to come off. Let me take a look, see. Woo! Got about a foot to play with. We should have put that tire on that side. It probably wouldn't have tried to. But you don't want to ride the Lightning? Come on. Can't go far. The winch is smoking. Well, I don't know if it's electrical smoke or cable smoke.
Oh yeah. Come along, keeping her from going kitty wampies. Man, it's a cool looking truck. All right, hold on. Oh, okay, good. Not that tight. Come along from hood to grill?
I'm saying going down the road, leave it open.
Oh, let's see if we could finesse it, maybe. I WD'd it, which we all know WD does nothing.
Oh, this side's moving.
Ooh, this side's not. All right, off camera, here we go. Now the truck that was left here for dead, saving a truck that was left here for dead. We're doing the Lord's work, I would say so. Now back through the creek. Say cheese. Can we shake hands? Good boy. So we got the Ford boomp side, hence the boomp, home. And now we need to, what do we need to do, fellers?
Wash it.
That's right. We're just gonna clean it and sell it. We need to get some wheels and tires that aren't the spare to the Ram Charger or the spare to the Samurai on it. And just gonna clean and go. I would keep it, but I'm not. I mean, a big block single cab short bed's hard to come by, but I'm a Dodge guy and I just got way too many anyway. So let's get started. What's in the back?
Oh, a new bicycle?
I don't know if you'd call it new.
New bicycle down? This new one?
It's an old one.
Oh, but it needs one more wheel.
Yeah. Got the door open. It was just locked. Looks like we got a bunch to blow out. We'll probably blow all this out at the ranch where little kids aren't running around. But yeah, solid enough. I mean, the rockers are pretty good. It's just that one side. There's information. If it tells me what year it is. I don't know. Now what do we need to put on the truck? Wheels, that's right. So let's go find some, huh? Okay, let's go. That one's flat over there. And this one is flat, not flat here. But of course it doesn't fit. Why can't new stuff fit on old stuff? Ain't gonna fly. So maybe we go to the ranch right now and go look. Yeah, all right, let's go. Well, we have a few choices. We could go white wall. That won't work.
No.
Oof, that might not work.
That one's got little wheels.
That one's the right size, but
Now these are wheels.
that she's gonna hold.
That's the little ones. These
Yeah.
are littles.
Those are little ones over there. Let's see what do we got here. Ugh. That might hold. We can try that one. Then maybe there's one or three over here. Maybe this one. Yep, that'll work too. Well, now we got an assortment of wheels to attempt to put them on that truck, right? Well, those fell out. That's a lot of crap. Now to blow it all in the burn pile that way. And here she is in her final glory. About to post it up on Marketplace. Gonna start at $2,000 and see what we could get for it. Somebody will pay something close to that just because it's a single short. It's the only reason. If it was a long bed, 800 bucks. But overall, it's complete. I mean, somebody can make something out of it. They just have to actually want to do this truck. Like for me, if it was a Dodge, we'd be doing something with it, but it's not, so we're not. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. We'll maybe see at the end if I end up selling it, but if I do, you'll see it. What did we just do, boys? We sold it for $1,500. Make you holla, and that's how it's done, right?
Yeah.
And she's leaving the ranch into the hands of someone that's gonna take it to the next level, do it a whole lot of good. That's what this is all about. I buy a bunch, obviously, but if you get these trucks and cars into the hands of somebody that's gonna take them from the grave and put them back on the road, I mean, this truck, as far as anyone else would have known, it would have been sitting there in the woods for another 30 years. You know, what's that gonna do? And it'll be rotted away by then. But this way, it's back in, you know, it's flowing. It's in the stream. So it's what I enjoy. It's what it's all about.